What's going on, guys? Finally back here with the Project Sportster. It's been a couple months. We moved the entire shop. We're now on Main Street in Tewksbury, Massachusetts. Check out the quick little capture of the new place right now. Pretty cool part I just got in for the Sportster is the Rotopax gas can. This is going to put me at an extra 1.75 gallons or 6.6 liters. Quick connect to a sissy bar. This bracket that I ordered is super ugly, so I'll be removing that. I'm going to be welding a tab to the sissy bar. This is a TC Brothers sissy bar. Also have these on the website. So Rotopax can fabbed up to a TC Bros sissy bar. When it's all said and done, you just have a quick mount. And there you go. It's mounted on the bike. Wear it now. Extra fuel. Mounted on the sissy bar. Since I did cut down the fender, I'm going to have to trim up the side plates on the sissy bar just to make them look a little more pleasing. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to give you a better look at all this. Alright, so TC Bro sissy bar has been shortened. I don't have all kinds of tools. I just did this with a Sawzall and a grinder. Then filed it down, got it as close as possible matching. I think it looks pretty good. So the wiring on the bike, we're going with the CycleVision's chopper wiring harness. Here is everything minus the actual harness itself. You're getting shrink tube, you're getting connectors, zip ties. Then you're getting the entire harness. I'm just going to pull the camera off and show you. So on the bike, you have your connectors to your headlight. Everything's already wired, cut with a wiring diagram. It makes it super easy. I didn't want to deal with any of the electrical, so I'm going with this wiring harness from CycleVision's. You have fuses right here. Wiring to your battery. I'm going to be wiring up a high-low switch right here off of the top motor mount. You also have ignition wiring already ready to go. Comes with an ignition. I'm going to be getting a tab right here to do my ignition. Here is all of your taillight wiring. Look how long this is. Taillight wiring. Plenty of it. Brake light switch. Also wired, ready to go. Power to your starter, it's all there. This is all part of the CycleVision's chopper wiring harness. I'm running that. I'm also going to be running a Dynatech electronic ignition. Never installed one on the Sportster. I have installed one on my Honda. That's going to be the next step. I am going to trim down the top motor mount to wire up my high-low switch, which I already drilled out. Here you can see the switch. I'm going to be cutting away the front tab right here. Next, to just clean up the top motor mount and have a nice high-low switch mounted underneath. Here's the top motor mount bracket I just finished. You can see I grinded it down, smoothed it down with the file. Came out pretty good. And then I'm going to be mounting this high-low switch that came in the CycleVision's kit, the chopper wiring harness kit for my headlight. That's all for today.